Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. Today, I've got an exciting topic for you. It's actually part of my new book, HeptaSlim. I'm going to talk about the 20 superfoods you should always have in your diet. Those nutrient-packed foods will not only add flavor into your meals, but also provide plenty of health benefits. In this book, I've listed the detailed ingredients and provided the guidance on how to prepare healthy, slimming, and delicious food. If you are interested, please contact me to get a free copy of the book. To learn more about the content of this book, you can watch this video. Starting off with number 1, we have the mighty avocado, packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Avocados are a versatile addition to your diet, whether you add them into your salad, sandwich, or make a smoothie. Avocados brings a delicious and nutritious boost into any meal. I also incorporate avocado into my skincare routine by using it to make a facial mask. At number 2, we've got antioxidant-rich blueberries. Those little powerhouses are not only delicious but also are great for your brain health. I normally add into my chia seed oatmeal. I call this a lazy breakfast because it's so easy to make. You just need to mix everything together and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. Coming in at number 3 are chia seeds. High in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, chia seeds are excellent for boosting energy and aiding digestion. Personally, I eat 1 tablespoon of chia seeds every day. I add them into my juice, smoothie, or just water. As you can see, I keep my chia seeds jar right next to my coffee machine to remind me to add them into my daily drink. The best benefit for me is aiding digestion and give me the best poo. It might sound gross, but the truth is, your bowel movements can indicate your overall health. Moving on to number 4, we have the protein-packed quinoa. This Asian grain is a complete source of protein and contains essential amino acids. In my book, combining quinoa with millet and buckwheat groats creates a delicious and nutritious tricolor rice alternative to replace regular rice, aiming to reduce the intake of carbs. Number 5 is delicious sweet potato. Packed with vitamins and fiber, sweet potatoes make a tasty and healthy alternative to regular potatoes. Thinking back, among our older generations, they didn't have processed foods. Many times, their staple food was sweet potatoes. Yet they lived longer and healthier than us. That's because sweet potatoes offer healthy benefits such as being rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support digestive health, regulate blood sugar, and improve immune system. Additionally, their lower glycemic index and fiber content can aid in weight management. Sliding into number 6 is Greek yogurt. Rich in probiotics and protein, Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice for creamy and satisfying snack. You know, you can also make your own Greek yogurt. No sugar added, no additives, no preservatives. It's a safer and a healthier dairy option. Now, let's talk about number 7, wild-caught salmon. Salmon provides a lot of health benefits, including being rich in omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. It has anti-inflammatory properties, supports brain health, and contributes to weight management. Why do we need to choose wild-caught salmon? That's because of the pollution. Wild salmon contains fewer additives and pollutions compared to farm-raised salmon. So, I recommend only eat salmon 2 to 3 times a month. At number 8, we have the golden spice, turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory property, turmeric is a fantastic addition to your spice rack. I've created several videos about turmeric. You can click the link above to learn more about the healthy benefits of turmeric and how to effectively absorb curcumin. In my book HeptaSlim, turmeric is a main ingredient to help our body reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and aid in weight loss. Coming at number 9 are the variety of nuts. Whether it's almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, nuts are the great source of healthy fats and protein. For intermittent fasting beginners, if you can't stand the hunger during the fasting, you can eat some nuts to help you transition. Number 10 on our list is flaxseed, loaded with omega-3s for a healthy heart, high in fiber for a happy tummy, and packed with antioxidants for an overall wellness boost. Plus, flax seeds can help in cancer prevention, regulate blood sugar, and even aid in weight management. Now, let's talk about number 11, millet. This gluten-free grain is rich in nutrients and adds delightful nutty flavor into your dishes. Number 12 is breakfast favorite, oats, packed with fiber and antioxidants. Oats are a fantastic way to kickstart your day. Next up, in number 13, we have asparagus. Low in calories and high in vitamins, asparagus is a great vegetable to include in your meals. At number 14, we've got zesty ginger. Known for its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is the must-have in your kitchen. In my book HeptaSlim, ginger, garlic, and turmeric form a golden triangle support immune system and boost health. The ginger, garlic, lemon juice is a powerful immune booster that has effectively guarded us through the pandemic. To learn this secret recipe, you can click the link. Moving on to number 15, we have flavorful garlic. Not only does it add the kick to your dishes, but garlic also has immune boosting properties. In my previous video, I discussed how garlic is a powerful key to boosting immunity and detoxifying your body. At number 16, we have onion. Packed with antioxidants, onions has depth of flavor to a wide range of dishes. Number 17 is a dynamic duo, broccoli and cauliflower. Those cruciferous vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Coming in at number 18 are various leafy greens. Whether it's spinach, kale, or Swiss chard, leafy greens are a nutritional powerhouse. Number 19, we have herbs and chili. Fresh herbs and spicy chilies not only enhance taste but also provide health benefits and aid in weight loss. In my previous video, I talked about added bit chili with apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, the cinnamon powder, and ginger powder into your drink. Can burn fat anywhere, anytime. If you want to know more, please click this video. Finally, at number 20, we have legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein and fiber. And there you have it, our list of 20 Hepta superfoods that you should always have in your diet. Make sure to include those nutritious ingredients into your meals for a healthier and tastier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.